batho. Ke mang ke koko ba kwena? Ke mang? Ke idea ya mang mara. Di utsana hey. How batho ma modimo.
Skolo. This is for school.
Let's go. Okay. If you're sad, good now. Funa. Eh? Oh, yeah, nah. No. No. In less cinnamon? Okay.
Biscuit or something.
When I open a jugum spell, where can I get a stirrer? Oh.
Spinach on the bacon.
Why English? I'm English. Zach is gone. That's the bin, Nana. That is the bin.
When the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. You know nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a shipwreck, I caught the sails loose. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what
Happy birthday, Baba. Happy birthday, Baba. Happy birthday, Baba.
It's in 5 months.
Mama, you do Mama.
I'll be very old next year, my girl. It's unbelievable.
and time is running out for me. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could, I would turn back time.
Pebbles. Hi, Pebbles. How are you doing? Are you good? Yes. Hey, Jesse. Are you good? Are you good? Are you good? Are you good? Thank you so much. Yes, we love this. Thank you.
The wonderful Blue Bulls. Legs of Thunder. You remember him as well, those of you football lovers. Legs of Thunder is part of us, and how about the gorgeous voice of Carol. So now, ladies and gentlemen,
I was late. Good morning. Another day, another race. It's a Sunday morning, 6 o'clock to be exact, and I'm at Waterfall City to do a 5-kilometer fun walk, fun race. And yeah, I'm glad I'm actually on time. I'm early actually, because the 5-kilometer group is only going to start in 10 minutes time, and the 21k and 10k people are actually at the start line and about to start. So very glad to be early and just waiting my turn to hit the start line. And yeah, as opposed to last week was nearly a disaster. I was at the Hollywoodbets race, and I also did 5 kilometers there. But yeah, without getting into it, it was nearly a flop, but it wasn't. Nearly, but it wasn't. I made sure that, you know, I made the most of it. But yes, enjoy the vlog. And I want to fix it, but you know, people and
50 seconds. 4, 3, 2. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, all in the underway. This is the start of the 5 kilometers. Let's go, gentlemen. This is the start. Welcome to the next of the finish line in about 15 to 20 minutes time from now. And all the race, right over the your race, your victory race, with the big platform as well. This is the your race with.
That's where we headed. Oh my word.
And so now, welcome or get ready to welcome the leading man in the 21.1 kilometers, 70 miles and still going strong in the class of boxing. Morana Latifa, the Sagas are bringing the lead right now. Be ready to welcome
How was it?
Good.
How are you feeling?
Exhausted. I think my right big toe is painful. Yeah. But I'm fine. Okay. Thanks. Okay, can I go somewhere? I'll be back in a short bit. 10 minutes, just going to one shop. Or 5 even. Is it done? Oh, okay. Anyway, it's good. Good, thanks. I called in earlier and I requested for someone to put aside 2 dresses for me. That type, that black and white one.
Okay, your name?
Kelelo. Yeah. Bye. Let's go to Northwest. Morning, morning, morning. On my way to Houghton in Lehurutshe for my friend's family event. And yeah, we left Joburg around 4:30 this morning. So I've been up. I don't know how my grandmother does it because she wakes up at 4 every morning without fail. If she's late, it's 5 o'clock, but in most cases she's up at 4. But yeah, I think I'm well awake now. I'm well into my day, and yeah, it's 7:59 now, and we're slightly running late. They start at 8 o'clock, and we are going to be arriving around 8:16. So not too bad on timekeeping. I'm expecting to have a good day. I'm expecting Dipala, you know, since we are in the Northwest and this is the home of Dipala. The weather's not so great. It's drizzling at the moment, but hopefully it's not gonna get worse than this. Let's just hope it's just drizzles and not like proper rain. And I hope I can also get like a full outfit of the day kind of shot level picture. I'm a little sad that, you know, the black tones are not necessarily the same. I picked this outfit out in the dark, well, at night, and only during daylight am I realizing that the black or the blacks are not the same. So I will make it work. At least I'm going to be wearing something over my shoulders, so it's not going to be that visible and that obvious. Yeah, see you later. Google's running away as if she doesn't know this.
YouTube channel. Subscribe and like.
Yes.
Oh my god, my eyes are so red.
So dramatic. What's that?
Thank you so much for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's content.
And I could play poster, hey? Some of it's not everything.
Thank you for coming and welcome to Galelo's YouTube channel.
Love you. Goodbye, my friends. Love you. Mala,
Sakubona,
le kae?
unjani?
Ke bona ke ya kwa restaurant.
The license.
It's my friend's birthday, and for the first time in a while, she's in the country on her birthday. So I'm out here at the Houghton Hotel. We're going to their restaurant. It's called Nova, and yeah, it's just a birthday celebration marking the day. Yeah. Hi, how are you? Good, thanks. I am joining two beautiful ladies. I'm not sure where they're sitting, but it should be inside.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the only selection that I had today. So once it's finished, it's finished. They're gonna maybe replace it after 2 days or after 3 days. It depends on demand. But the one that is always on demand is that rainbow.
But why is it still full?
Yeah, because it's a new one. They bought it.
Oh, it's a new one.
Yes,
Okay.
it's a new one.
And
What's that?
Oreo.
Oreo cheesecake.
This is just the Oreo.
soon coming YouTuber.